Ever lost track of a friend in a bustling festival, or wished you knew when your family member was safely home? Apple's Find My app is your secret weapon for staying connected and ensuring peace of mind. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly share your location with the people who matter most. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. You'll see several tabs at the bottom. Tap on the People tab here. You'll see anyone you're already sharing your location with, or who is sharing with you. To add someone new, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, you have the key options: Share My Location or Request Location. To initiate sharing, tap Share My Location. Next, you'll see a search bar. Start typing the name of the person from your contacts that you want to share your location with. As you type, their name will appear. Select them from the list. Once you've selected your contact, you'll be presented with duration options. You can choose to share your location for 1 hour, until the end of the day, or share indefinitely until you manually stop it. Select the option that best suits your needs. And just like that, you're sharing. The person you selected will receive a notification and can now see your location on their Find My app. They can also choose to share their location back with you. For added convenience, especially when meeting up, you can also ask to be notified when someone arrives at a specific location or leaves one. Simply tap on a friend's name in the People tab and choose Notify Me under their location updates. This feature is incredibly useful for rendezvous in crowded places, keeping tabs on family during road trips, or just coordinating a spontaneous meetup. To stop sharing your location, simply go back to that person's profile in the People tab and tap Stop Sharing My Location. It's that simple to control who sees your whereabouts. Master the Find My app, and you'll unlock a new level of connection and security for yourself and your loved ones. Stay connected, stay safe with Find My.